This woman ain't had a hot shower in 6 months. I wonder if it smelled funky or not.
It's been going in and out again. But sometimes when I hit it in the box,
You turn the water on.
I turn it off and jiggle around everything a little bit, and then it works pretty good.
Can you say something cold?
Let's say something cold.
You say something cold watery?
Cold water.
Mother-in-law's love?
Mother-in-law's hot heat water. This one doesn't.
Bosch. On demand.
Turn the shower on.
Bosch. On demand hot water heaters. It depends on what demand you demand if you're going to get any heat out of this. You got to put your nose on it. You see, it's cold. Somewhere in here is a...
You can see that light blinking.
My daddy told me to go to college. I didn't listen. He also told me not to grow old. I didn't listen. I don't know anything about how to fix one of these. Some people shouldn't mess with diesel engines. They're the same guys that shouldn't mess with hot water heaters. I wonder what this fits. Bosch hot water heater. On vacation. Look at that ground wire. Isn't that sweet? There's a knob right here.
Yeah, that's like plus or minus.
And after the electricity goes through the knob, it loses its mind. And then you have to take a cold shower. But ain't she purty? Did you get any technical support?
Do I get any technical support?
Service man just can't work in peace, I'm telling you. Can you tell me what it feels like to wake up and take a cold shower?
It's very cold. You get out very quickly.
Was that with or without your mother-in-law at home?
Without my mother-in-law at home.
That's cold. That's cold. Back flushing that screen. This is how you back flush a stupid screen. In there. In Canada, they call it way stupid screen. Somebody's got to go upstairs and like open the hot water to let the gravity
Okay.
I just want a hot shower. Cleaning the filter, backwashing the thing, impeller, sensor. Man should know how to do 3 things: reproduce, fix hot water heaters, and feed baby birds. So I think this might be doing it. Black stuff. We gotta figure out a way to clean the impeller. Let's see that. I'll put that.
Oh, the flow meter?
Let's see how much black stuff's in there. And if it's an optical sensor, it can't see through that crud.
Yeah, this flow meter's here.
Yeah, well,
And you can't see anything in there.
should you be able to see through it?
They say you can see it operating, but as you look in
I'm
there...
gonna hit zoom on his camera, see if it does anything.
Where'd that flashlight go?
Let's see it.
And replace it, you gotta disassemble.
I'm thinking the optical sensor's clogged up.
Well, the way it goes in there with 2 O-rings. So once you take the board out and you take all the transistors off there, this whole thing drops down, and that thing just basically drops right out of there. There's nothing really holding it in but 2 O-rings.
We took the strap off, we broke the union, we're pushing this bracket back. This bracket's going to be pushed backwards and the whole thing should lift off. Alright, just got the tanks off. We're going to try and get the flow meter out. Get a Q-tip and run in there and see if it's way dirty. Hey Donna, Q-tips on the countertop? Right beside you?
I don't see 'em.
There's a $100 bill out there too.
Ooh, let me see if I can find
I don't
that.
see that either.
I bet I can find it real quick.
That's a real small hole. That's the screen.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, that's the screen right there.
Again?
If you read what they said on the factory tech forum, you had to take all this apart.
Well, that wasn't too bad, but it kind of takes like 2 people, eh? Taking the sensor off the circuit board. It's got a release clutch on it. Sweet little thing.
I'm not cold.
Alaska.
Alaska.
Polar bears floating on the glacier ice.
Snow, ice, cold.
This is not how John Harris Civic makes sandwiches.
No, he would have them on the floor.
She saw the video. On the floor.
It's all clean now. It ain't gonna focus in like that. I gotta get back at least this far. It appears to be an optical sensor in there. It's got a paddle wheel.
Do you want
Filming?
something to write on?
Alright, we took out the flow meter and cleaned it, put it back in. It's still, the light still flashes. It didn't fix the problem. Disconnected the water intake and checked the screen. The screen was clean. Put it all back together. It's under pressure now. Just took the board off here just to make sure there's no obvious signs of water damage. Other than that, pretty clueless as to why this thing won't function.
So we ain't getting no cold shower, I mean hot shower, huh? You ain't
Could
good.
go to Lowe's and buy one of these things. Bring it back, swap the boards out.
That's what I'm talking about.
Swap the boards out and then take it back and go.
Wrong color.
Contractor told me it won't work, or the guy that's going to put it in says it. He can't put it in, so the whole project's on hold until further notice.
What is that funny noise I hear?
Upstairs, yeah.
Sounds like a good day to go chase a black bear in the woods naked. Hey, I did my research.
And here's your brochure that gives you all the specifications.
So it's 448. That's the, and it takes what, 2 weeks? Should be on the website, eh?
Now that's the little one. That's the Titan point of use.
Oh.
Okay, for the 448. The other two, one is 846 and one is 542.